Okay guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Forex Factory. Forex Factory is a tool or a website where we monitor the market news. You know, most traders ignore the news and most traders don't even know how to use the news. When I started trading earlier back in 2018, 2017, the news always scares me. And what we do is we gamble. We don't even trade the news. What we do is we gamble. We just know that the market is going to move explosively during an economic data release. We just wait to chase the market. That's not actually how to use the economic calendar. And as a new trader, you can't do without the economic calendar. Don't be deceived. The economic calendar is used to know days of high impact, because as a trader you need to know what is coming so that you won't be taken unawares. And the economic calendar also helps you to know days you should avoid trading, like the non-farm payroll weeks. You need to avoid trading those weeks. So these are things you need to know and understand as a new developing trader. In this video I'll be running down my screen and I'll be explaining to you how to set up a Forex Factory account. Actually, you're not setting up an account because you're not going to register. All you have to do, or all I'll be showing you, is how to set up the website on your phone so that it will be on your own time and the most important information you need to be looking at. So I'll be sharing my screen with you and I'll be explaining further. Okay guys, this is my screen right now, as you can see, and my browser is open. So all you have to do is you click on Forex Factory. Forex Factory is the website I use. There are many other websites like Bloomberg and the rest, but I choose Forex Factory. You can see forexfactory.com. You click on it, and when you click on it, it opens up something like this. This is the economic calendar on Forex Factory. This same thing applies to your phone. I'm using my laptop for this example, but you can also use your phone. First thing you want to do is that you want to change the time. You want to make sure that the time matches your time zone. As you can see, GMT +1, this is my time zone, so it matches my time zone. So I've already edited it in the past, but if you've not edited your own, and depending on where you live, because I know that most people watching this might not be people in West Africa, there are people in other parts of the world, so make sure it's in your time zone. So this is West African GMT +1, my time zone. So save setting. Then you can see the next thing you want to do is filter. Now you filter this. You want the days where we have high economic impact. That's the red and this other semi-red color. You remove this yellow and these two, you remove them. So I now have days of high impact and days of medium impact. These are the most important economic events you should be looking at for. Days of yellow and red, like you can see here, these days, this news doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is this particular day where we have a medium impact, 10 a.m. Euro. This is very important to me, and this particular one is important to me. So days of high impact and days of semi-high impact, these are the days you should be focusing on. Filter the noise. Remember, filter the noise. Then I don't trade every pair, I just trade the euro and the card. So I remove all these distractions. I remove GBP. I don't trade GBP, but if depending on the currencies you trade, you leave them. I don't trade Japanese yen, I don't trade NZD. I focus on the USD, euro and card. So I apply filter. As you can see, I've applied filter. So you go to market calendar. You see calendar, it has showed me today is Monday 31st, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So these are the days I'll be focusing on. Tuesday 3 p.m. we have high impact news coming up. Wednesday 1:15 p.m. we have high impact news coming up. Thursday we have high impact news. So this is all I focus on. I try to filter the noise and filter irrelevant informations. All I'm looking for is days with high impact and semi-high impact news. So this is it guys, this is it very simple. So this is how we use the economic calendar. Now this will give me a perspective of what will happen in the market, because there's some days the market will be consolidating, and you'll be worried what's happening. You should know that there is a high economic news coming up the next day or within that week. So that's why days without high economic impact news will be consolidating and ranging. So that's how it works, guys. This is how you set up your economic calendar. Forex Factory, you go to filter, and you make sure it's on your time zone. So let me know whether you have any question in the comment section, or you find anything confusing. You can always reach out to me on the comment section. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video.